Earlier this week, I visited FEMA headquarters in Washington to thank the emergency responding personnel who are working 24/7 here in Florida and throughout the Southeast. Just look around the nation and the world for that matter. Historic floods, intense droughts, extreme heat, deadly wildfires, wildfires that have caused serious damage.
Peter, what he's doing? Why you bully me? You fucking bitch, why you bully me? Everyone asks Liquid asking you why you bullying me, you fucking no.
Look, it's hard to believe there's any climate deniers left in America. Let me tell you something, there are.
Emotional damn!
You all see what's happening. Wildfires burning 2 million acres in California this year alone.
Deadly wildfires burning